back to Keeping Up in Disney. We're glad you found our channel. We do a bunch of different Loungefly unboxings, Disney parks videos, Disney themed content, so do make sure to check out some of our other videos. If you enjoy the video today, make sure to subscribe to the channel and check out some of our other content. We've got here today another fun Loungefly video. We already unboxed these bags. There's a whole story behind it, so we'll explain that too, but we have two bags here to look at. These are two exclusives from World 1-1 Games. Actually, one of their first exclusives and then another one that they released a little later on. And since they've had quite a few cool exclusives, so we've got two here to look at today. We're gonna go ahead and reveal them, and then we're gonna take a look at each of them. Without further ado, here are the bags. So we've got Prince Ali, of course, and Gaston from Beauty and the Beast. And then here too, you might have seen, there's a Villains blind box pin set. So here's what happened. We got the box from World 1-1 Games that was supposed to have Prince Ali and Gaston in it, but we opened it up, and upon looking in the box, there were two Prince Ali's, no Gaston. So we actually, if you follow us on Instagram, you would have seen, we put it on our Instagram right away, and we were like, oh, this is kind of funny. We got two Prince Ali's in a box instead of, you know, the bags that we were supposed to get. And within a couple minutes, World 1-1 Games was calling us on Instagram. So we were on the phone with them on a video call, talking to them, just kind of explaining and laughing about it. And they were super good about getting us a return label sent out to send back our other Prince Ali right away, and they sent out the Gaston right away, and then along with just kind of doing the return and the exchange, and you know, for the trouble of having to go through shipping it back and everything and returning the bag that we were supposed to get in the first place, they sent this little Villains blind box pins here. So that looks really fun. So we're gonna look at these backpacks, and then we'll have a little blind box pin to do as well. So I think first we're gonna take a look at Prince Ali. This was the one that they released first, one of their first exclusives. I think it may have been their first. It's got some really cool details, so we're gonna get it out of the bag and look. So there he is. Of course, this is Prince Ali from Aladdin after he wishes to the genie to be a prince. Tinkerbell really likes him too. And he's kind of looking out here. You can see his eyes, this super cool detailing on the pocket here. And I really like the colors of this bag, because you've got that kind of lighter creamish tan color and the darker tan color there that kind of looks like a leather almost. And that same color scheme is down there on the pocket and kind of the trim on the accents too. And then this tassel here for the zipper is so cool. It's like a threaded tassel. It's really nice. Black Loungefly badge set against that same kind of darker colored tan faux leather. And of course, the feather up here is just a crazy cool piece of applique that's huge. It's like so tall, really sticks up. It's just a huge focal point of the bag, and the purple color is awesome there. And then the jewel, it's a real, you know, piece of plastic there. It's a pretty cool jewel stuck on there. It's 3D, it's pretty cool looking, it shimmers in the light, and it's just a really cool detail on this bag. On the sides, we do have side pockets, which is always awesome to see. We got that same kind of color going here with the lighter cream tan color, the darker tan behind it. And the accents of the zipper trim here has that darker tan color too, which looks really nice with the same royal purple that you see on the feather. And then that royal purple is used for the whole side trim of the bag on both sides, which is really nice looking. We're gonna look at the back. You got Do You Trust Me? The straps here are that same kind of darker tannish color. And then you got the lighter cream tan color there, which looks really cool. So everything just comes together super nicely. It's an awesome backpack. And of course, we gotta take a look at the lining. So it's really cool. It kind of looks like Moroccan tile work or something. And it's got that same kind of royal purple color to match up. I think it's actually possibly maybe the magic carpet from Aladdin. Not too sure. If you know, let us know in the comments.
It matches your shirt.
Oh yeah, it does. So this, of course, is Gaston, the iconic villain from Beauty and the Beast. Kill the beast, kill the beast. With his face here, and actually a really cool detailed kind of pocket with his shirt there, which looks really nice. And you've got, of course, his face here with a really cool applique kind of sticking up above the bag. These eyebrows are actually embroidered on here, which is pretty cool. Some nice eye gestures there. Really cool hair actually, all kind of done in different applique and layers, and a lot of really cool detailing on the pocket here, just with these different colors and the straps. You've got like this darker brown faux leather, the lighter yellow kind of faux leather for the belt buckle, the red faux leather that has the Loungefly badge on it too, and that same yellow here for the top of the shirt, and then the skin colored faux leather here, the black up here, and then of course you've got his little ponytail back there, which looks really cool too, done in an applique. Everything just looks really nice on this one. And then of course, over here we do have side pockets too, which is awesome to see. Black trim for the zippers here on the sides, which is really cool because on the front, if you look, the trim for the zippers is brown to kind of match up with the shirt and the different accents here. And then on the sides, you got the black accent, which looks really nice with the hair over here and the rest of the bag. Look at the back of the bag. It's super cool. So he's got, you don't have the bow quite, but you got, you know, the sling of the bow and arrows and a quiver there so he can shoot at the beast and try to kill the beast. And then the straps are black, look really nice with those black zipper accents and the black on his hair there. And of course side pockets on the other side. And inside the pockets here too, the faux leather that they're set against is that kind of lighter yellowish faux leather that they use for the belt buckle in the front. So it just comes together really nicely. It looks like his outfit that he's kind of wearing in full. And then of course we got to take a look at the lining. It's so cool. So it's Gaston done in kind of like a sketchbook style art, sketch style art, black and white, doing a flexing pose. That's so cool. Let's just take a look at both of these bags. Two super cool exclusives from World 1-1 Games. The Prince Ali was released first. I believe there are still a few left for sale. So if you check their site, we'll put the link in our description if you want to check that one out. I think Gaston is still available for sale too. So we'll put the link in the description as well. They're super cool bags. World 1-1 Games actually does have quite a few other exclusives up too right now. They have a Chippendale Rescue Rangers one that we're expecting too, that we did pre-order. We actually won a giveaway on Instagram from them, so we'll be getting this pretty cool Dapper Jack and Sally backpack from Nightmare Before Christmas, which is gonna be really cool. And then these are just awesome. So we're definitely on the lookout for any of their exclusives that they have coming. They've been putting out some more hints. They're supposed to have more coming. So definitely more on the horizon that we're gonna be on the lookout for. And we'll definitely be pre-ordering soon because these ones are already awesome. Both are just really well-made bags, really cool details in applique, super cool colors, really vibrant. They feel really well made. Gaston is a first, like there's never been a Gaston villains bag, so that's super cool. Side pockets on both, fun little details on the back, just a good blend of colors. So when I saw both of them, I knew they were, you know, a must for me. Super happy that they're here and that they've started to arrive, and can't wait to use them eventually on a Disney trip. Maybe wear Gaston to be our guest sometime. Even though it's Beast Castle, that would be kind of funny because Gaston would be going into Beast Castle.
Or since character meets are coming back.
Yeah, I could wear Gaston to meet the Beast, but I also do have a Beast backpack.
No, to meet Gaston.
Oh yeah, I could wear Gaston to meet Gaston and the Beast into the Beast Castle, but I don't know.
And you can wear Aladdin if there's Aladdin.
Yeah, that would be so cool, a Prince Ali meet and greet. So let us know what you think of both of these backpacks. Let us know which one you like better. And if there's any others that, you know, you want to see, you're wondering if we've gotten recently, we might have them. We might have a video, we might have them in our collection. We can pull them out and make a video. So just let us know if there's anything you want to see. And as we mentioned before, we did have to return and exchange a Prince Ali to get the Gaston bag because they had sent two Prince Alis first. So here's the blind box of the pins that we got. So you can see the options here. There is Ursula, the Evil Queen, the Red Queen, the Queen of Hearts, Dr. Facilier, Jafar, and then I guess the Chase pin, which is like, I guess kind of the rare ones for blind boxes or the hard one to get. That's Hades. So Jamie's gonna open it up and we'll see what we get.
Okay, it's in a bag. Okay, here we go. Okay, any guesses?
I think it's gonna be, I'll go with Jafar.
I'm gonna guess Ursula.
Okay, let's see.
I'm gonna close my eyes.
Oh, okay. The Queen of Hearts.
Queen of Hearts.
Yeah, she's
That
pretty
one's
cool. She's
cool.
not either of our favorite, but it's a pretty cool one. It's a really cool pin.
kind of matches this one.
It does match the colors of Gaston. But we've actually gotten some more pins recently, and we kind of want to get more into pin collecting, so this was really, really cool. So thank you, World 11 Games, for sending this.
And what does it say on the back?
It's a Disney Loungefly pin, so it does have the little, I think that's like the Funko crown logo there on the back too, and it says Disney. So that's pretty cool. So you can collect all 6. We've got 1 out of the 6 now, the Queen of Hearts. It's a really, really nice pin, so it's a pretty good size, nice and thick. Feels really well made. It's a cool pin. So we will definitely be adding this to our pin collection and possibly doing pin trading the next time we go to Disney World. But again, I'm kind of scared to pin trade there because I don't want to get fake pins, and I like a lot of the pins that I have. So I almost feel like I kind of just want to collect pins, not trade them. But we'll see. So if you did enjoy this video and getting to check out these new World 11 Games exclusives, do make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification button to be notified anytime we make new videos, whether it's, you know, unboxings, Loungefly videos, Disney product videos, Disney merch, or our Disney Parks videos that we've been uploading. You don't want to miss them. As always, thanks for keeping up in Disney.